I'm Dave Mulby, and I'm about to show you the most exciting CamStand for portability that we have right now. It's called the iGrip. The iGrip consists of a clamp, and it consists of a magic arm, which unfolds and tightens on every articulated joint right here, right here, right here, with only one knob. Then it has a camera receiver, a 1/4 inch 20 thread on the end, so you could attach a camera to it. Or I'm going to demonstrate a cell phone, utilizing this particular phone adapter. So I'm going to just twist the phone adapter on the top here, so we will be able to use it for this demonstration. Here, the clamp, we're going to loosen it up, tighten it up on the edge of the table. The little thumb screw in the back that tightens this particular vertical post. Set it down in there, tighten her up. And now we're ready to go. We line up, there's little slots here. The slot allows you to do this. I'm aligning the slots to be able to for articulate. See how that goes like that? There's a little slot here. And you make sure you line up all the slots so it does that. So now I am able to literally put it anywhere and tighten it anywhere. So now once we have everything set up, we just make sure everything's tight here. Loosen this up so you could put your camera in there. And I've got this set up so it will go, this is horizontal, but it also has a screw back here on this particular adapter. There's different adapters for this, by the way. It has a vertical. So now, if I want to do it in a portrait mode, which is vertical position, in fact, you could even do a pan. You could go, if you had a video going, you go like that. You could also do it in a normal camera setting and do a pan like that. Not only can you do videos and live streaming, you could also do scanning. So if you had documents, you can scan documents. You could also use it for photography.